What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share with you a quick trick how to easily clear format of your text in Google Docs. But before I show you that trick, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear the format of your document using the menus. So if you look towards the upper right hand side of this document, you have a clear format. So you want to go ahead and highlight your entire document and press the clear format button here, and that's going to quickly go ahead and, let's say, remove the formatting from your document, right? Let me go ahead and press Ctrl Z here to put back my document into the format. Another way how to do this is by going from the menu option as well. On the format, you also have the option at the bottom to clear format of your document, and you'll see it does the same there. Now, another way how to actually clear the format of your document, guys, is by pressing Ctrl plus A to highlight the entire document, then press Ctrl X to cut the document. Now you want to paste the document back, but don't do a Ctrl V. You want to do a Ctrl Shift and V, and it's gonna paste your document without any format. And that's it. That's the trick. Highlight any document, copy the document or cut the document, and then you want to press a Ctrl Shift and V, and it's gonna go ahead and paste the document without any formatting. Very easy and very simple.